Hello everyone. Today again I am with one long question of mensuration and it is 4 marks question. It is related with the square base pyramid. Let me hope you will understand this question. Let us proceed towards question without any delay. Question is like this. Let me read this question. A student of class 10 made 3 square base pyramid by card paper and submitted to math teacher as a project work. There is one student who submitted 3 square base pyramid which is made up of card paper as a project work to his math teacher. If the base side and slide height means actually length of the base of a square base pyramid, and slide height of each pyramid are given here 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter respectively. To do the problem of any question of square base pyramid, we need slide height, base side and vertical height. In this question, I can see base side and slide height, but vertical height is missing in this question. We have to find vertical height ourselves. How much space do these pyramids occupy? Means question is asking indirectly volume of the pyramids, because volume means space occupied by any object. Space occupied by any object is volume of the pyramid here. So we have to find the volume of the pyramid. And volume of the pyramid is 1 by 3 a square h. A means length of the base, h means vertical height. A we have base side which is a, and vertical height is missing in the question. We have to find vertical height by using formula. You can see here one figure of square base pyramid. You can see this is slide height. This is slide height, and altitude means vertical height, which is not given in this question. We have to find by the formula. And base means this sided portion is base. And in a base we have altogether 4 sides. It means I can draw 4 slant height on this square base pyramid. This is one slant height which is perpendicular to this side. I have another side of the square. I can draw another perpendicular line from this point to this side. It can be slant height. Another slant height I can draw on this side, and one more slant height I can draw. Means I can draw altogether 4 slant height in a square base pyramid. And you have to understand that slant height are equal. All the 4 sides are equal in a square base pyramid. Now let us go towards solution. I have 3 square base pyramid, and these 3 square base pyramid are identical to each other. Let us write solution. Now we are going to write information which is given in the question. Given information, first of all, this is the information which we can see in the question. 3 square base pyramid are made by card paper. These 3 square base pyramid are made by card paper. It is mentioned in the question. And information of the pyramids are given. Length of the base, which is A, 12 centimeter. Slant height L, 10 centimeter. Vertical height is not given in the question, so I am going to find vertical height here. And the formula you can see. This is the formula for vertical height. Formula is root under L square minus A by 2 whole square. L is given in the question 10 centimeter. A is given in the question 12 centimeter. Now we can use the value here. If I use the value of L and A here, then it becomes like this. In L, I have written I have written 10. Then it becomes 10 square minus A. A means 12. So 12 by 2 whole square. Now 10 square is 100. 12 by 2 whole square means 36. If I subtract this one, then it becomes root under 64, which we can write 8 centimeter. After getting height of the pyramid, now we can find volume. Volume of each pyramid. Formula for the pyramid is 1 by 3 a square h. This is the formula to find the volume of one pyramid. And we know that these 3 pyramids are identical. So we can do one thing here. If I multiply this formula by 3, then I can find volume of 3 pyramid at once. Look here, volume of 3 identical pyramid equals to 3 into 1 by 3 a square h. I have done 3 into 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 you can see here. This a means how much? It is 12. So here you can write 12 square. A square means 12 square here. Into h. H means 8. This h. Here we can write 8. If we multiply these, then it becomes 1152 centimeter cube. Means we got volume of 3 identical pyramid here. After getting the volume of 3 identical pyramid, at the last we can give conclusion, and our conclusion becomes like this. These pyramids occupy 1152 centimeter cube of space. Because question is asking how much space does these pyramids occupy? Then our conclusion is these pyramids occupy 1152 centimeter cube of space. Thank you all of you.